On the evening of July 4th, 2022, Apopka police officer Oscar Mayorga was driving his marked patrol vehicle in full uniform on his way to work an evening shift when a citizen observed him driving erratically along a highway in Lake County, Florida, and called the Eustis Police Department to report a reckless driver. Officer Rubicek of the Eustis Police Department located Officer Mayorga's patrol car, signaled him to pull over, and conducted a traffic stop. Officer Eric Rapp of the Eustis Police Department arrived shortly afterward to assist, and the interaction that followed was captured on his body camera.
Why is it all yellow? It's all good. Hey, Officer Oscar, why don't we come back out here real quick? Come back here, Walkman. It's all good.
Hey, man. So, can you just put your hands on the roof for me? Quick, I'm gonna remove your gun, okay? You got any other weapons?
No, but I'm
it's a seizure.
You're prone to seizures? Okay, I'll turn my lights off real quick for you, alright?
I'm gonna put this in my car for the duration of this encounter, okay? Watch them, bro.
You covering my butt.
It's all good.
What's going on, man?
You know my season, I act up.
Okay, do you need a EMS?
No. Here, let's just lean against my car real quick, alright? Yeah. Alright, right here. It may be a little hot, because it's on the car. There's the car. Let's just stay right there, alright? There. You don't have your clipper with you?
No, sir.
No? Okay.
Where's that thing you found?
Congressional Ward, it's all good. He said that his rifle's in the back. It was in the center console when I talked to him. He's gonna cup over. It's not there. More than welcome.
Oh, what time did you get off work today, man? What time did you get off work?
6:30.
6:30?
What have you been doing?
I've done with foot pursuit.
You guys have a foot pursuit?
What time?
4.
What?
4 a.m.
4 a.m.? You work night shifts?
Yeah, night. 8:30 at night, 6:30 in the morning.
Are you heading to work? Or where are you going?
And he said you lived off the Atwater. It's all good. I'm right here if you need a lean.
Hey, if you work nights, where are you going right now?
I have to work, shift. It's all good. I'll make sure you don't fall. It's all good. I'll make sure you don't fall. Alright? Then I'm prone to seizures. Here, you want to sit down? You want to sit down? Here, you can sit down in the grass if you want. Oh.
He's already disarmed, sir.
Oh no, you're all good. You're just
Very, very tipped up and like top heavy, and you almost fell. So I wanted to sit you down in the grass, okay? So
Sit him in the back of the car.
you want to sit in the back of my car where there's AC? You're not in trouble.
Listen, do you need EMS or no?
No.
If you're acting like this way, I'd rather them come here and make sure you're okay.
Let's sit in the back where there's AC. All right, you're not in trouble.
no, I know. I'm just gonna.
All right, come on. Ready?
42 uses. Can you have EMS en route? He can't even stand properly. He's falling.
I want to turn my gun back.
Good morning. No, we're not gonna give you your gun back. All right.
He's saying he's prone to seizures, but he will not.
Yes.
He said he doesn't want EMS, but I called him anyway. There's a beer can there.
What's your name, man?
I'm still going.
He can't even. He keeps stumbling.
He's stoning him.
Yeah. And there's a
What do you
beer.
smell? Okay, I'm just making sure. What kind of beer can?
He said it was in his center console when he first got there. It was.
Hey man, just sit down.
Hey. Sit down, sir.
We're just having EMS come check you out.
He moved the beer can because when I got there,
Beer can was it?
he moved it, put it in between the seat. So I looked in there, I saw it, I grabbed it, and it's a 7.5% alcohol, some kind of ale. I don't know. It's like a homemade one or something. I don't know. It's on the driver's seat right now, sir. Did you do anything to celebrate today, man?
No sir.
No. Listen, man.
Let's try this hook.
It's better to be honest. In our profession,
I took a lot of Benadryl.
listen. In our profession, you know it's best to be honest, right?
No, I know. Okay, I know. I took
Listen, man.
the Benadryls.
There is a open container of alcohol in your vehicle. Have you been drinking at all today?
No, that's maybe 3 days old.
Okay. I smell the alcohol coming from your breath.
Okay.
Are you willing to perform standard field sobriety exercises?
Okay.
You are?
No.
So you don't want to do them? Okay.
Officer Rapp questions Officer Mayorga about his alcohol consumption and asks him to perform field sobriety testing, which Officer Mayorga declines. Field sobriety exercises are a series of physical and cognitive tasks that officers use to gather evidence of impairment, including the 3 standardized exercises recognized by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration: the horizontal gaze nystagmus test, the walk and turn test, and the one-leg stand test. Now, unlike chemical testing of breath, blood, or urine, there is no Florida statute that requires a driver to perform field sobriety exercises. However, in the 1995 case of State v. Taylor, the Florida Supreme Court held that a defendant's refusal to perform field sobriety exercises is admissible at trial as evidence of consciousness of guilt. Additionally, even if a driver refuses to perform testing, the officer maintains the authority to arrest the driver if the totality of the circumstances, including observations such as slurred speech, the odor of alcohol, poor balance, and admissions of recent drinking, establish probable cause for driving under the influence. Accordingly, while it is not independently unlawful for Officer Mayorga to decline field sobriety testing, a court would likely find that his refusal could be used as evidence against him in a subsequent prosecution.
EMS is going to come check you out, and if you have to go to the hospital, then we'll go from there, okay?
No, again, I took 3 Benadryls.
You took 3 Benadryls? What time?
Maybe less than 2 hours though.
2 hours ago?
You're going into work. Why would you take Benadryl, man? You know Benadryls make people sleepy.
I was kind of going to sleep.
I missed your shift?
Are you scheduled to work today?
Yeah.
You see where we're coming from, man? You're not making any sense.
No, I do. No, I do.
Okay, man. We all make mistakes. I get it.
Yeah.
I know our job's stressful. I get that, man. You sounded like you had a stressful night last night. How old are you, man? How old are you?
25.
25?
Sorry, when I was trying to give.
You started. Oh, okay. So you've been here for a while.
Yeah, 6 years.
6 years. Are you still an officer?
Yeah.
Are you in a special unit?
Yeah.
You're in road patrol?
Yeah.
Are you a senior officer?
Well, I mean, 6 years.
How many years do you get? I mean, every 5 years we get a senior officer. Like after we work 5 years. Is that how it works with you guys?
Pretty much. Yeah.
Pretty much.
All right.
Signal 14 EMS tonight.
What's up, man?
So, you guys can take my car back to my house.
I'm pretty sure you're someone from your job's gonna come
Yeah, we can't drive another agency's vehicle.
to your house. Where do you live?
Pretty much. I mean,
You said you lived off of that water, right?
yeah. So,
Why are you over here?
dude, I'm not gonna lie out. I'm just trying to find someone to
Did you go 10-8 on the radio?
I do not.
You did not? Did you call into work today?
I was supposed to, but I.
Do they know where you are? No one knows that you're calling into work today?
I'm not sure.
I got you, man.
Yeah.
EMS is here, okay? Alright. Need you to be respectful, please, alright?
Oh no, of course. Yeah.
Oh, thank you, man.
I'm not gonna do anything.
Hey, just sit there, man. Sit. Just sit. You need to take your vest off?
Do you mind hitting me in the back of the chest?
No, man. You want to take all your stuff off? It might be better for you to take your vest off. I already disarmed you.
Oh yeah, of course.
Hey, Oscar. Can I call you Oscar?
Yeah. Of course. Yeah.
Why don't you go ahead and take your belt off for me, okay? We'll take everything and everything will be in your car. You have your keys to your car too?
They're in the cars. Go grab those keys.
Alright, I got it. Off your radio. Is this a button on top?
Yeah.
Do you want to take your vest off too?
No. I'll leave it on.
Okay.
Over here.
EMS is right here. Hey, just go
It's all good. We can just sit down.
No, sit down.
You gonna sit down with them?
Yeah.
All right.
What? He won't do it. Yeah, let's go ahead and take your vest off, man. Are you gonna go to the hospital?
I guess not.
Do you want to go?
Not really, but
What do you guys think?
Does somebody come pick them up over there?
if you guys can take care of me right now, I wouldn't mind.
Well, we can't really treat you out there.
If you guys just pretty much check me out.
Right. Is there anybody you can call and come get you?
My mom.
The sergeant's on the way. Oh, okay.
So I do have Poland syndrome.
That?
So Poland syndrome.
What's that?
So I'm missing the left side of my chest.
Okay.
Do you have a knife in your pocket, man?
No, I don't.
You just have your keys?
Yeah.
You just got your keys? Okay. How many do you have drinks then?
I had 3 tall boys.
You know what city you're in right now?
Huh?
You know what city you're in right now?
Yeah, useless.
You know what year it is?
Oh yeah, it's where it's on the picture.
Who's the president? What is he watching now?
Sadly, Joe Biden.
Did we go to your house a couple months ago?
When I had a seizure. Yes. I think you came, right?
I think so.
Yeah. Yeah, I have seizures maybe every 2 or 3 months.
Do what?
I have seizures every 2 or 3 months.
Yeah.
Give or take.
Are you on medication? Does your medication say not to drink and take it? Mix it with alcohol? Does it say not to mix it with alcohol? When was the last time you took your medicine?
4 days ago.
Oh, so you haven't taken it recently? Okay.
So, do you not want to go down to the hospital right here?
No, sir.
Okay.
Do you have the sign over your keys now?
Yeah,
Okay.
over here.
Okay. All right, sir. Since we're already this far, I'm going to read you Miranda, okay?
No, sir.
You have the right to remain silent and refuse to answer questions. Anything you say may be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to consult an attorney before speaking to the police and to have an attorney present during questioning now or in the future. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. You understand each of these
Yes, sir.
rights I have explained to you? Do you understand them? Okay. Having them in mind, do you wish to answer questions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You said you had 3 tall boys?
Yeah, I think 2 or 3, yeah.
What time was that?
Again, I think it was 4 o'clock.
PM? Like a few hours ago? Is one of those in your car the same one you drank?
No, sir.
That's an older one?
That one's old.
It's actually older?
Yes.
Okay, my fellow officer said it was in your cup holder when you stopped you for originally.
Yeah, again, it was there, but it's old.
What's your policy say about having open containers of alcohol in your patrol vehicle? Is that
6
probably-
hours?
You have to have 6 hours after drinking before you can come to shift?
Yes, sir.
Gotcha. And you said you didn't contact your sergeant or anything saying you weren't going to make it to work today?
No, sir.
And you're scheduled to work, like you,
Yes,
this is
sir.
your day on? How far did you make it from your house before you decided to turn around? We had a witness say you were by Lowe's.
Hey, officer, can I get those keys for your car real quick?
I got.
Oh, you got them?
Yeah, yes, sir.
No, not there. The keys.
So it's,
It's all good. Do you mind if I just take that?
I think you guys are,
It might be on his belt.
I look.
Still have his.
Just this one? Okay.
That one should work, yeah.
I appreciate it.
His sir.
Hey, officer.
Yeah.
Get your hand over your left with your right eye there, or is that a scar?
This one's old. This one happened back in, February.
What were you drinking? What kind of beer?
Modelo.
Modelo? Tall boys?
Yeah.
So let me ask you a question. Are these 2 your personal keys?
These 2 are my girl's keys.
These 2 are yours? These
No.
are PD keys?
These 2 are hers.
Okay.
Your girlfriend or something?
Yeah.
Just these 2? Okay.
Yeah.
Did you actually take Benadryl or was that a not true statement?
No. I
So-
reviewed her.
So you took Benadryl and alcohol?
Yes.
2 depressants?
Yes.
Officer Rapp reads Officer Mayorga his Miranda rights, and in response to the questioning that followed, Officer Mayorga admits that he consumed 3 tall boys earlier that afternoon and took Benadryl. As we've discussed before here on ATA, the Supreme Court held in the 1966 case of Miranda v. Arizona that a suspect must be advised of their right to remain silent and their right to counsel before being subjected to custodial interrogation. This requirement, however, is only triggered when 2 conditions are simultaneously satisfied. The suspect must be in custody, and the suspect must be subjected to interrogation. In the 1984 case of Berkemer v. McCarty, the Supreme Court addressed how the Miranda case applies in the context of a DUI investigation, and held that the roadside questioning of a detained motorist during a routine traffic stop does not constitute custodial interrogation because traffic detentions are temporary, brief, and conducted in public view, and therefore do not generate the inherently coercive pressures that Miranda rights are meant to address. That said, the Berkemer court also determined that if a motorist who has been detained pursuant to a traffic stop is thereafter subjected to treatment that renders him in custody for practical purposes, he is entitled to the protections required by Miranda. Under this framework, a court would likely conclude that Officer Rapp's earlier questions did not require Miranda warnings, because at that point, Officer Mayorga was the subject of an investigative detention rather than a formal arrest or its functional equivalent. And although a court could certainly determine that Officer Mayorga was still not in custody for Miranda purposes when Officer Rapp read him his rights, the decision to provide the warnings before questioning Officer Mayorga eliminated any argument that the resulting statements were obtained in violation of Miranda. Officer Rapp transports Officer Mayorga to the Eustis Police Department in order to conduct an alcohol breath test.
.42 uses 97 PD, 65 in your mileage. 66710.8. Step on out, my man. Go. Oh, we're gonna walk over here, okay. To the left. Stand up, look. Inside. Right here. Take a seat for me right there. Hold on, actually. Let me take your cuff. Take a seat. Take a seat. The other side over here. On this side. On this side. Alright, just don't touch your mouth, okay, for the next 20 minutes?
Yeah.
Very well. Yeah, of course. Alright. Just don't touch your mouth, alright?
Once Officer Mayorga is seated in the police department, Officer Rapp tells him not to touch his mouth. In the 1991 case of State v. Donaldson, the Florida Supreme Court held that a breath test result is only admissible in court if there is evidence that the test was performed in substantial accordance with the methods approved by the relevant administrative agency, although minor deviations in compliance will not render the results invalid. Rule 11D-8.007 of the Florida Administrative Code requires the breath test operator to reasonably ensure that the subject has not taken anything by mouth or regurgitated for at least 20 minutes before the test is administered. A safeguard designed to prevent residual mouth alcohol or regurgitated stomach contents from impacting the reading. In the 1992 case of Kaiser v. State, the Second District Court of Appeal clarified that this rule does not require the operator to continuously observe the suspect so long as the operator, quote-unquote, substantially complies with the approved methods. Accordingly, Officer Rapp's instruction was consistent with the procedural requirements for ensuring that Officer Mayorga's breath test results would be admissible in court.
Alright, just a moment, sir. I'm just going to say submit to approved test of your breath for purpose of determining the alcohol content of your breath. Oh, you think the test?
Not you, sir. So I'm just gonna ask you about first this is gonna result in me getting charged with something.
You will see. I'm going to tell you that right now. I'm sure you understand the consequences of refusing.
Yeah.
You know, take a long photo officer, please not try to fake ways into the shoot.
No, of course. You understand where I come from, right?
I get you, man.
Because I don't want you to know what I mean.
Alright. Are you ready? We need you to just to get all breath in and exhale into this tube for as long as you can, okay? So, high level, sir. You don't go to the abuseful.
No, I know. I'm just trying to think what's.
Yeah, in a minute. You got the same, okay? Just go. Do keep on from up south to south, keep on, speak on, on south, break, keep down. Good. CDC pump.
I know it's further off doing the world.
Yeah. Because if you usually got a whole year.
Yeah.
Good job. Be a lot. Good. This is a mystery, so.
You want to find out this work?
Yeah, one. For example, there is a prior to agreement, then you want to do a nursing. Get ready a minute 20.
You want to get a glass of water?
Apple is okay.
Officer Rapp obtained 2 breath samples from Officer Mayorga after the 20-minute observation period. The results were .391 and .385, both of which were nearly 5 times the legal limit in Florida. Officer Mayorga was then issued a citation for driving under the influence and was subsequently transported to the Lake County Jail. The Apopka Police Department initially placed Officer Mayorga on administrative leave with pay, but after Apopka Police Chief Michael McKinley reviewed the case, his status was changed to suspended without pay. Officer Mayorga was charged with 1 misdemeanor count of DUI with a blood or breath alcohol level of .15 or above. On April 5th, 2023, Officer Mayorga pleaded no contest, was adjudicated guilty, and was sentenced to 12 months of probation. As a condition of his probation, Officer Mayorga was ordered to surrender his law enforcement credentials. Overall, Officer Rapp gets an A+ for conducting a thorough and procedurally sound DUI investigation, treating Officer Mayorga with consistent professionalism throughout a challenging encounter, and declining to show Officer Mayorga any favoritism on account of his status as a law enforcement officer. Officer Rapp's decision to call EMS was appropriate given Officer Mayorga's apparent condition, and his decision to defer to Officer Mayorga's refusal of transport once EMS had evaluated him demonstrated respect for Officer Mayorga's bodily autonomy. Likewise, Officer Rapp's choice to provide Miranda warnings before questioning Officer Mayorga about alcohol consumption when they may not have been strictly required was a reasonable measure that foreclosed any argument that the resulting admissions were obtained in violation of the Constitution. Most notably, Officer Rapp maintained a calm and respectful demeanor with Officer Mayorga despite his obvious impairment, and demonstrated genuine concern for his well-being while simultaneously refusing to offer any preferential treatment on account of Officer Mayorga's status as a police officer. I commend Officer Rapp for treating Officer Mayorga with dignity throughout the encounter, executing each procedural step in a manner that provided the prosecution with a clean evidentiary record, and for maintaining integrity by conducting a thorough investigation of a fellow officer who had clearly violated the law. Officer Mayorga gets an F for operating a marked patrol vehicle while severely impaired by a combination of alcohol and medication, endangering every other motorist on the road in the process, and for demonstrating conscious disregard for the very laws that he had sworn to enforce. Officer Mayorga's breath samples tested at nearly 5 times the legal blood alcohol concentration limit in Florida, and the combination of 3 Modelo Tallboys and Benadryl produced a level of impairment that was apparent the moment that he stepped out of his vehicle, having stumbled, nearly fallen multiple times, and exhibiting slurred speech and a strong odor of alcohol on his breath. Officer Mayorga's decision to drive in that condition, in full uniform and on his way to work a shift, reflected a profound lapse of judgment, and his initial denials about consuming alcohol when first questioned by Officer Rubicek and Officer Rapp added a layer of dishonesty to an already serious situation. That said, it should be acknowledged that Officer Mayorga was generally cooperative throughout the encounter. He did not resist or escalate, and ultimately admitted to the basic facts of what he had done once it became clear that further denial was untenable. He also accepted responsibility for his conduct in the prosecution that followed, entering a no contest plea, accepting the resulting probationary sentence, and surrendering his law enforcement credentials as a condition of that disposition. This interaction highlights that the responsibilities that come with a badge do not cease when an officer goes off shift, and an officer who drives in this condition, in a marked patrol vehicle no less, places the public at risk and erodes the trust that effective policing depends on. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out Audit the Court if you're interested in exploring the legal nuance beyond the body cam.